Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to perfectly center text inside a table in Microsoft Word. It is a common issue. You highlight your table, click the Center Align button on the Home tab, but the text only centers horizontally. If your table rows are tall, the text stays awkwardly stuck at the top of the cell. Let's fix that and make it look professional. Start by highlighting the text inside your table that you want to adjust. You can click and drag over specific cells or just select the entire table. With the table selected, look at the very top menu ribbon. You will see a new tab called Layout appear on the far right side under the Table Tools section. Click on that Layout tab. Now locate the Alignment group. Instead of the standard text options, you will see a small grid of 9 different alignment icons. Click the icon right in the middle. This is the Align Center button. Immediately, your text will snap into perfect position. It is now centered both horizontally and vertically. Even if you drag the borders to make the cells larger later on, your text will stay locked right in the middle. That is all it takes to keep your Word documents looking clean and perfectly formatted. If this quick tip saved you some time, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.